It's actually very good. I had some perception about, before coming to the servant leadership program, with this word of servant, what Madana has mentioned in the session itself. So it's actually an eye-opening session for me. Even though I'm playing a manager role, having a team members, it is actually giving me more insight to, see how we need to improve the leadership quality in you. So it's actually very nice. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Absolutely, it's completely new to me. I haven't heard about this earlier. After joined UST only, I have heard about this, and I was supposed to participate in this like 4 months back, but
Okay.
due to some issues, I couldn't make it up. So that's why second time I again registered and I got the chance to.
It's
Yes, definitely. So I'll first talk about the takeaways. So definitely it is giving me a clear picture of, you need to have the vision, to gain your goals, and definitely you have to get your team along with it to achieve that. And we have to be, we have to make some changes in our behavior, in terms of handling the team, handling the other stakeholders, how you can manage your own emotions. And definitely, apart from your work, it is giving us some kind of insights to our family as well, how to deal with it, yeah, when you're having some tough situations. So it's definitely helping us in all these aspects. And yes, of course, I will definitely recommend my team members also to take part of it. You don't need to be a manager or having some reportees to take part this. As Madana mentioned it, everyone is leader.